Bob, she's trying, Bob. Daddy, she's trying. Look at her face. Okay, get.
That's okay.
It's okay, Baba. You don't have to. God, she was holding my back, guys.
But I like this one
At
too.
nag-ano siya, umutot
What do
siya.
you think?
Lulu, she's trying.
Let it down?
Because you might poo-poo. No! You try so hard.
What do you like that?
Kasi ganyan yung skills ng ano eh. Talent ng daddy nila. Umuutot, guys. Kahit na ano, pag sabihin mo, umutot ka, umutot siya.
And that's the boy.
Oh my goodness. Shh.
It's so hot.
You like him?
What is it?
Let's do brown one again.
Is it so hot? Oh no, Daddy, it's so hot, Celine said.
It's still
You
hot.
see?
For sun.
What are you gonna do?
Sun.
The sun is not even there, see? It's very cloudy. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on
Me. Sun. Sun. How do sun. Have to shut down there.
Hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing?
Should we look at all the puppies now? The puppies now?
Mama already fixed the bed. No, you don't. You do not. Okay? You do not, Cassie. You do not, Cassie. You mapik. You do not. Palilagin mo ni you do not yung nak. Meron kayong ano ko. Bangs. Good night, Lainey. Night, night, palingling. Night, night, palingling.
Say hi there.
Ate, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bangs.
Hey, that's puppy bangs. I'm not here. Ati City.
Ate silly. Ate silly.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Today ay aalis kami. Where are we going today then?
To look at puppies for our princess.
Si Paris natin guys ay gustong magka-puppy for her birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are! March pa naman yung birthday niya, but yung tatay niya gusto niyang magtingin-tingin. So, only her tatay knows where to go now. Kasi nag-research siya kung saan pwedeng magtingin-tingin ng puppies. And alam niyo ba guys, gino ko nga sa Daddy Mike kanina. Sabi ko, Daddy, you should just get one from, Balingasag, from my country town in the Philippines. Kasi sobrang daming aso doon, guys. Like, my parents' house, hindi ko makount kung ilang aso meron sila doon. But anyway, so it was just like a joke for Daddy Mike. Kasi pinatingin niya sa akin yung mga nakita niya online. At alam niyo ba, they cost a lot of money for a puppy, right? Kasi yung pinatingnan niya sa akin, guys, they're like 2,000, like, minimum 2,500 Australian dollars. And that's probably, 100,000 pesos for a puppy? That is so expensive. And that's the minimum here in Australia, guys. Yan yung mga, yung mga magagandang breed ng mga puppy. And sabi ni Daddy Mike, which one do you like better? Pinakita niya sa akin mga picture. And sabi niya, we have to choose like wisely and, like make sure na gusto talaga namin yung puppy na bibilhin namin. Kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's going to be part of our family, like it's going to be our new baby. It's another baby in the family. So at first, guys, very against ako kasi I don't know, siguro ako lang kasi I have 2 kids, parang having another like responsibility. I can't at the moment, like I have too much in my plate. And sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, oh, maybe not. But then that was like last year, and sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll get one for Paris kasi na medyo malaki na si Paris, and it will teach her to be like responsible, take the dog for a walk and feed the dog, the puppy and that. So sabi ko, okay, we'll see how we go. And then, another negative as well, sabi ko, how about like pag nagbiyahe tayo at sobrang mahal ng, dog sitter. Alam niyo yun? Mas mahal pa sa baby sitter. Kaya sabi ko, there's lots of like, factors na kailangan consider, but then nakaset na talaga si Daddy Mike na that's why he's getting Paris for her birthday, and si Paris ay nag-expect na talaga kasi since last year yun yung gusto niya. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll do it for your 6th birthday. So anyways, hindi pa naman kami bibili ngayon, magtingin-tingin lang muna guys, para may mga kami, may idea kami. Baby Celine, tingnan nyo, naka-backpack na pala ito. Nak, takan kasi mong bit-bit na. Ha? You building a house? Ayos, building a house. Ito ring isa eh. Nice. Diyos ko Lord. Babe, show me.
Look at all my Japanese.
What is that? Is that Japanese?
Uh-huh.
Writing? Wow, you're so good. Come na Lynn, let's go in the car now. Come on. Huh?
Put them together, Lynn, and then, oh my god, I found an egg.
So it's now 2:13 and nakarating na kami dito guys. Dito kami sa harapan ng Puppy Pad. Yan yung pangalan ng pet store. Pero, ang ating baby girl ay Sleeping Beauty. So, hindi po na muna kami makakapasok. Pero, ang ating Daddy Mike tsaka yung ating Ate Paris guys, pumunta sila sa may shop din kasi. Tingnan nyo sa harap. Pakita ko sa inyo. Labas na nga rin ako eh. Tingnan nyo, may mga shops dyan. And, may isang pies, silks pies. So, si Daddy Mike ay ayan, bumili sila ng pie. Kakain muna kami. What did you get lang? What is it?
Sausage roll.
Sausage roll. Hanggapin na nyo. Nasa salog. We got pie. Mike's got pie. Let's eat first.
Steak and cheese.
Yum. It's 30 minutes drive. Galing sa bahay, guys. Ginising namin ang aming baby girl. Oy. Look. Okay, come na. Wala, can you hear that? Look. Can you hear the puppies? Can you hear the puppies? Please do not touch dogs. Okay, come. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. But Paris, you can't do that. If you want dog, you can like cover your ears because they're loud. Oh my goodness, look at these kitties. Wow, look at this. Kitty, look at that. Wow, these ones.
Oh, mine likes me.
Oh wow, yeah, look. He or she is playing with you already, Paris.
He likes me.
Cute naman ito.
I just put my hand and then he started running to me.
Yes. Look, look. You wanna play with you? I think it's a boy lang. That one's very playful. The other one is very tired.
Oh, look at that one sleeping.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this one likes me. Oh my god,
Yeah.
he's eating.
The other one?
They just but this one likes me.
This one's in the duck.
What?
Oh, this pure black.
Oh, that's a big one. I'm not gonna. He looks cute. I like him. Aw, look at that one over there. Oh,
That one's cute, actually.
Look a little.
Yeah, this
That's the one. That's the free way to
no. That ain't me. I want the one that I
Oh no, it's a shooter.
no shoot. Shih Tzu.
This one's gonna bite me.
So, ito yung kailangan nyo, guys. Everything your new friend needs to get going. See, great puppy bed, football. Oh, tingnan nyo ang presyo. Total worth is $376, pero $270 na lang daw yung babayaran. Look, I thought it's a real one.
That scared me.
Say hi, doggy. Say hi, doggy. Yeah, say hi. That's the dog's, if your dog will get married.
Bring out puppy.
Uy, hindi ka.
Bring out.
Puppy Palace. Yes, this is the second pet shop we're going into. Yeah, cutie. Tignan natin kung anong meron dito. That's for the doggy. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-video doon, guys. Kasama yung mga puppies. Bawal. May nakasabi na no photos or videos. Pero doon sa kabila, okay naman. Wala namang gano'n. Pero dito, masisekto sila. Yeah, dito na lang tayo mag-vlog. Social naman ang higaan ng mga puppies. Look, oh. Dress? Yeah, that's dress for the puppies. Yeah? Look, sobrang cute. Ito yung kanilang higaan. Oh, so comfy.
Mommy suck. Sister suck. Do. Sister suck.
Do.
Mommy suck. Do. Mommy suck.
Suck.
Sunny do. Sunny.
Is this the lady?
Hi guys, we're at the puppy palace, and all the dogs are so cute. They're just at the back, and you can hear them like woof woof woof. And my dad's over there just talking with the guy, and I'm getting in front of it, and this is my outfit. So I'm going to share with my dad and show some of our puppies.
Yeah, it says there you're not allowed to show.
Hey, I want to show them the toys. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, but not allowed.
Which one?
The one that looks like $4,000 for puppies.
You did it. Show me that.
The black ones. Yeah, look.
That's a place, guys. Puppy Palace.
If we call the puppy Paris,
That's the one you were looking at in the shop.
it'll be all mine. Not even yours.
We're already talking about names, guys. Ano yung ipapangalan namin
Where's that
sa
cavoodle that you were looking at? Because the ones that we liked. Is it that one?
It's not brown enough. Not that one. Is that the palace?
That's the one.
No.
That's him.
Really?
So it's a boy.
I'm not sure, Bob, if that's the one. Come on. Anak, help si Lily. So now, it's 4:11, guys, ng hapon. And since we're on our way home, and andito kami, tingnan nyo. Excited na naman si mami nyo, guys. Tingnan nyo, Kabayan Filipino store. So, dito pala to sa malapit sa pinsan ko, guys. Pero sabi ni Daddy Mike, huwag mong i-mention kasi itong ating mga girl lalo ay gusto namang makita yung kanilang mga ano.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Sinabi namin.
Ask if she did tae.
Did you do tae? Did you do a dong-dong?
Little
No?
bit.
You sure? Maybe just wait. Come on.
You sure?
Come on. Well, we're going home now, so we can drink. Yes, baby girl. Okay. Quick, ate. So, bili tayo ng ano?
It's down over there.
Filipino foodies. Magastusan na naman tayo nito. Go in. Oh, anong meron? Come on, ate. Oh, the smell, guys. It smells like, oh, Lord. Ito na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Sapin-sapin, kutsinta, cassava cake.
I like this.
Yeah, puto.
I want this.
Maha.
I want
What is it, la?
I'm hungry.
You hungry? Okay, you choose what to eat here. Oh, happy. Oh my goodness,
I
alam mo.
want this. I want this.
Okay.
I want that.
You want this cake? Okay, we'll pay. We'll pay so we can
I
eat.
want this too. I want it.
You hold it. Can you hold it properly, please? Look. Okay, come on. We'll get one. Come on, here. You wanna open? We'll pay. We'll pay for it anyways. Here you go. Which color would you like? Purple?
Yeah. I want that. I want that. Can I have the green one?
Sure, my love.
Hey, I never had the green one before.
Okay. We'll put it in. Kuha tayo ng basket.
What? It's just
Ours.
Tingnan niyo ang dalawa kumakain ng puto. Yum, puto, yum. Okay. Ito parang hindi lang ito bago. Okay, so this one January 13, Maha Blanca. Masarap ito. Coconut pudding, okay.
It's my favorite. You know why I chose this? Oh, it's like Christmas.
Yes. Okay. Oishi. Oh, I love it. Yum, yum, baby.
Look,
I
Mario
think
likes
you're going to like movie.
Mario likes these.
Movie. Yeah, I know. Oh, God.
It's happy peanuts. Happy peanuts.
Well, okay, we'll open it outside in the car, okay? Okay, we'll open in the car, fella, daddy. Open the door for daddy, ate. Ay, shit, Paris, kinin mo nak. Bit serious niya. What have we got there? Ready?
Can I stop?
Yes, about the Filipino groceries.
Can I stop? Can I do crackers he told me?
Yes. We'll go get...
With the drive, you will finish in like less than a week.
Let's go, get in the car. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga napamili ko from the Filipino store, guys. Sobrang dami. Nagbayad yata ako ng $181 para dito. Tingnan nyo. Bago ko ilagay sa freezer, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung binili ko. Cassava cake. Ayan. Yung frozen to sila. Kapag gusto ko silang kainin, frost ko lang. And then eat. Excited ako, guys. And you know what? Kapag pumupunta ako ng mga Filipino shop, I tend to not look at the prices anymore kasi, alam niyo yun, like, it's not every time na pumupunta ako. And, alam niyo yung feeling na namimiss mo yung pagkain natin. So, minsan, hindi ko na tinitingnan. Kasi, for sure, hindi naman yun sila sobrang kamahal, diba? Ito siya. To be honest, hindi ko alam kung magkano ko siya, guys. Golden Saba. But then, I know it's going to be worth it. Kasi alam kong nakainin ko siya at alam kong na-miss ko siyang kainin. Kaya, it will make me happy. So, pagdating sa food, dapat huwag mong tipirin yung kanina. Especially yung mga ganito, di ba? Kasi, at sabi ko kay Daddy Mike kanina, when was the last time pumunta ako ng Filipino shop? I can't remember, di ba? So, hindi sa, gastos ng gastos, diba? Pagkain yun. Alam nyo naman, tignan nyo guys, pandesal, Spanish bread. Very yum sa umaga. Pag nagkape. And, ano ba? Ayan, kopi ko. Ayan yung pares ko sa umaga. And, I start the day with this. I'm happy. Oishi. Bumili ako nito, yung Maha Blanca. Kasi ito lang yung merong date. Diyan guys, sabi 13th of January. Yung iba kasi walang date. So sabi ko sa kanya, paano natin malalaman kung hanggang kailan tong, ano yung expiry ng, ng pagkain. So ito na lang yung binili ko kasi may date. And this one, remember, pumunta kami ng Gold Coast. Pumunta kami doon sa Sana Mall na Filipino shop. Bumili din ako nito guys. Sobrang na-in-love ako. Sobrang sarap nito guys. This is the pork longganisa. Pampanga's Choice. Tamis anghang. Oh my God. Sobrang sarap. Recommended. Got Sky Flakes. Yung mga pag-snacks. And also, on top of the saba, meron din akong turon. Ayan. So, ito sila yung nakapamahal for sure. Kasi, umabot ng ganun yung binayaran ko kasi ito sila. Tingnan nyo, maramihan eh. Kaya, we've got stick-o, happy. Dalawa yung binili ko. Kinain ko na yung isa. Of course, pulburon, ding-dong. Ayan, ito yung mga lang, snacks. Lipa, young coconut water. This is my favorite. 4 yung binili ko. Kinain ko na yung isa. And then, the last ones here sa box ay Mamasitas na tinola. Binili natin last time na buto-buto ng manok ay gawin natin tinola. So, ayan. Hindi marami yung binili ko, guys. Pa, medyo may presyo kasi nga, diba? Yung mga presyo natin pagdating na sa Australia kasi ini-export nila eh, diba? Baby, mama is here na. Oh, what is it? Pachoch. Come here. Say hi, guys. Oh, baby girl. Sige namin dali ko dinner. Okay? Okay, look at this. We have the salmon fish cakes.
It's ready to put in.
For the girls, and Daddy's making the prawns, shrimps. Need help? Okay. Just be careful with the oven because it's so hot. Okay? I love you, Lily. I love your cuddles and your kisses.
You got my mascara.
Okay. But Daddy's turn. Give Daddy cuddles and kisses.
Mommy.
Yeah. Look. Look. Wanna see what Daddy's cooking? Want to do it? Wipe the hands, see? Arm, okay.
Kiss.
Wipe the arm.
Mine.
Okay. Wipe it. Beautiful girl, Mama. Oy.
Atan.
All done. Beautiful mo na. Beautiful mo na mong baby girl. Jump.
Fly down.
Jump. Ooh. Jump.
Papa Pig.
Hop. Papa Pig.
Nah,
Jumping up and down.
Sister Pig.
Sister Pig. How about that? Yes, my love.
I went on the George Pig. And I was like this. Jump
Oh my goodness, really?
Jump bunny.
Wow, so big. Congratulations. Come here. Wow. Big girl naman, ikaw lang. Ba? 17, 17.6? Good job.
Jump, Nini. What's up, Nini?
Jump,
Come here. I love you. Jump, Nini.
Jump, Lini. Jump, Lini, quick.
Nini, want jump?
Come on, we'll get ready for bed. Jumping up and down the muddy puddles. Splish, splish, splash, splish, splash.
Actually, that looks fun.
Mm.
A puppy pig. Papa Pig.
Papa Pig. Ooh.